Hi girls and boys, welcome back to my channel. I'm vibing today, guys. It's a beautiful sunny day outside and I am so happy to just be alive, breathing, living, you know, just the normal things, just a positive attitude. Today I try to start my day off with positivity, so the rest of the day just flows. Yes, so today I am doing something exciting. I don't know. I mean, this may or may not have been done. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't researched it. I did see something similar to this a while ago when this particular product that I'm about to talk about came out, but I want to share something with you that I found extremely beneficial when it came to false lashes. All of us girls that enjoy makeup love a nice dramatic false lash, including myself, and sometimes it can be kind of, I don't know, just a nuisance and extra work that, you know, I don't know, sometimes I'll do my makeup and at the beginning of doing my makeup, I'm like, I'm gonna put false lashes on today. And then I get to the end and I'm like, oh, forget it. You know, I either don't have enough time or I'm just like, I don't really need them today or whatever. So this has been out for a little while now. These are the Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes. Sorry, I don't know if it's focusing or not. These have been out for quite a while, and when I first saw them, I was like super duper excited to try them out because it looked like a fast, easy way to apply a lash. The first time I tried them, I was like, screw this. I got so frustrated. It was just not, they weren't applying easily. It was just more, to me, it was more difficult to apply them than just using a strip lash with a duo glue. So I was like, this is gimmicky. I am just going to get rid of it. So I did see something, I think it was on my Facebook. I'm not 100% sure. It's been months ago that I saw this. But I saw a girl apply these, not how they come. So you have your upper and your lower, and you know, what they suggest you do is, you know, put the upper on and then they have magnets on each side, so they just kind of smush your lashes in between. But I saw this girl do something so awesome. I tried it and it was perfect. Like, I used the lashes over and over and over and over every day. It was super easy to apply them, and I want to show you guys how to do it because I think it will change a lot of people's minds on using these magnetic lashes. Since trying this, I still will apply strip lashes depending on what my look is like. This, I find the technique I'm going to show you works best with the accents, which is just like the outer, it'll be placed on the outer part of the lash, and then it's like very like a gradient from your regular your lashes to, you know, a thicker lash on the end, and it does still gives the drama, still looks really pretty. You can wear them with any look that you want, I find. So like I said, you could do this technique with probably the full lash, but I find that the accents, it works the best. So for this, you're gonna need your lash, a pair of scissors. I usually use my hair cutting scissors because it cuts the lashes very easily, and you're not, you know, cutting a bunch of, you don't want to use like kitchen scissors. It's pretty much what I'm trying to say, because you want to cut the band. You don't want to cut any of the lashes themselves. So you're gonna need these, and I use tweezers, or like these are from Ulta. They are the lash appliers, the lash tool, whatever. Now, the only downside about using this or tweezers is that they are metal and your lash will stick. It'll magnetize to them. So I'm gonna use these because I know how I'm going to do it, but I will tell you when you are picking up your lash, you're going to want to make sure to not get it too close to that magnet, or you're just going to get pissed off and frustrated because it's going to stick to your tweezers. So I am going to get my stuff all opened up and ready, and we will get started. Okay, so for starters, here are the lashes, the upper and the lower. You're going to leave the upper ones alone for just a minute. Oh, I should have taken this annoying. Okay, so this is my, I'm going to keep them separate. You're going to want to keep your right lash separate from your left lash. So keep that in mind. So this is the lower lash. Can you see? Sorry. This is the lower lash for the right side. So what you are going to do, there is 3 magnets on this lash, if you can see that. Sorry, there's like lipstick on my hand. So there's 3 magnets, 1, 2, 3. So what you're going to do is cut the lash band into 3 individual pieces. So you're going to cut between each magnet, making 3 separate individual magnet lashes. I'm trying to explain it. So here's the magnets. You can see where it's sticking to my scissors. You're going to be cutting the band. One, it's stuck to my scissors. I'm going to try to show you how this looks. Okay, so I'm going to stand up, guys. So I'm sorry that I'm showing it to you this way. So I have my 3 pieces here. I've got my inner corner here, this is my middle piece, and then this is my outer corner. So I'm going to try to demonstrate. So now that our lashes are separated, we are going to remove the top lash. Pretty much I'm going to take these and I'm going to grab the lash at the bottom of the lash away from the magnets, because you don't want that sticking to that. It's gonna drive you crazy. If you can get I don't think I've ever seen any plastic. Actually, you know what would work very good? This would actually work very good if you have like an applicator that comes with a pack of regular lashes. I typically throw these away, but this would ensure that this isn't gonna magnetize to anything because this is plastic, but this is the way I do it, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I place my lash on the outer edge, okay? What you're gonna do is you're going to apply the outer edge underneath, and then the inner edge, and then your middle piece last. Taking the plastic applicator, and I'm going to just kind of hold the upper lash where I want it and apply the outer edge piece by going underneath. I don't know if you could see that very well, I'm sorry, because you kind of have to hold the lash in place. I have the outer edge applied. Then I am going to pick up the inner corner piece, and I am going to, with this hand, hold the lash in place where I want it. So I kind of try to push it to the lash line as best as possible. And going underneath, apply the inner corner lash, like so. And then all you have left to do is to apply your middle piece. So I have my middle piece, and I don't really need to hold the lash anymore because it's pretty much locked into place with those the inner and the outer corners. And there is your accent lash. And I mean, look at the difference. with lash, no lash, with lash. And I'm sorry that I'm looking at myself. I know I apologize for that a lot, but I want to make sure that I'm not changing colors on the screen until I get a new camera. So that is how you apply the Accent Lashes magnetized. And I did end up switching to this, and it was a lot easier to apply the lashes with this plastic applicator opposed to a metal one. For some reason, the glue that was like, there's a tacky, actually I think it's tape, it left some tackiness on the actual lash, and it kept sticking to my metal lashes. Once you do this a few times, I haven't put these on in like probably about a month, but usually when I start applying them, I end up applying them almost every day because I also enjoy not using lash glue. Lash glue irritates my eyes incredibly, and I can't stand lash glue. I just freaking hate it. I will not lie to you. In the beginning, it was like a big pain in the ass until I figured out cutting them is like the thing you need to do if you want to apply these. So anyways, thanks for watching the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Come join the family, talk to me, chat with me. Check out my Instagram. It's Rebecca Elizabeth Howe, all one word, all lowercase. And show me some love, guys. I'd really, really appreciate it if you come check out my videos. I've been trying to post once a week. I work a full-time job, so it's like sitting down and filming the video is the easy part. It's the editing part that I'm trying to get used to. So bear with me, and I love you, and I will see you next time. All right. Bye.